Welcome to Logos Center. You might be wondering what is happening today. See, we have a measuring scale, we have a basket. Guess what today? Today we are going in our garden and we have some vegetable. We will be harvesting that vegetable for our lunch. Please come along with us. Come. Hurry up. We will do the harvesting. Yes. Now, tell me, how do we know which one to harvest? How will you know? What will you do? Which one to harvest?
Bigger one.
Bigger one?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So how do we know which one is the bigger one? Do this, like this. Can anyone check? Check which one is the bigger one. Not only big, we have to see whether it is tight. Okay. This one? Okay, this is the one. So, Jordan, you said that you wanted to pluck it. No, come. It will be your lifetime experience. Have you ever gone into... Do you need a knife? Okay. Get it. Yes. Have you ever done any kind of harvesting in the garden? Not yet. So, all of us, let's clap now as she does it. So what you have to do, you just take it here and then cut it from there, right? Okay. Start. Clap. Oh, yes. Cut. Do it. Yes. Oh, great. Oh, yes. Pick it up. Yes, put it in the basket. Thank you, Lajas, for rolling it in the basket. All right. So this afternoon we are going to have this cabbage curry. At the same time, we'll have some salad made with radish. So let's go and pluck at least 2 radish also. We are in our radish, this garden. Now here we have a lot of radish, but then we will just pluck only 2 because that will be good enough for our salad this afternoon. So Aniket and Asim will be helping us in that. So go ahead. And pull it out. Oh yes, great. Oh, one big, one small. Anyway, just put it. Now we will take it and weigh and see how much is this weighs. Okay. So we have done the harvesting. Now we are going to measure it, how much it is by weight. So Rishi will help us in doing this. So let's start with cabbage. See how much it is. Okay, how much is it? Just see and tell me.
So 1.1 kg.
1.1 means 1 kg and how many grams? 100 grams.
100 grams.
So 1 kg and 100 grams, 1 cabbage we have. Now we try this radish also. Let's see how much it is. Both, yes. Both together. Okay, so together it comes to 500 grams radish. So this afternoon we will have cabbage and then salad with radish.